My name is Masatakarama. I would like to introduce ZHANG. He gives us a wonderful presentation about color. Please listen his presentation.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
My name is ZHANG. So I'd like to introduce about color. And this is my outline. So I think that since, for example, scientific research about brain and color is interesting. What is the color? Why we can see the color and why people can see different color? I think these questions are very interesting. So, and color is important in our daily life. If we can understand the loss of color, it's of great use for our life. So I'd like to introduce about color and some phenomena be related to the colors. So at first, what is the color? So in fact, color is the light, and light consists of the electromagnetic waves, but we can only see the these waves when they are of the red light, which is called visible light. So, and this is a picture of visible light. A little bit too long, we call them microwaves, and a little bit too short, we call them gamma rays or X-rays. But right in the middle, the part of the spectrum, we call them visible light. This is the most useful for seeing. So where we can see the color, or where we can see the visible light. Actually, we have millions of photoreceptor cells in our eyes. This is a picture of photoreceptor cells. And these cells can help us see the color. Objects reflect the visible light back into the environment and eventually into our eyes. So, for example, where we can see the leaf in green. Is a leaf real green? It could be in other colors. For instance, blue or red or orange. So, where we can see the leaf in green. In fact, the leaf is unable to absorb the green visible light. So that reflects the green light back into the environment and eventually into our eyes. So this is and our brain interprets that the leaf is green. So this is why we can see the leaf in green. But in reality, the green light is just bouncing off the leaf. So in a sense, the leaf is really every color in the world except green. And reflections means the color we see are all just pigments of our imagination. So we already know what is color and where we can see the color. Then I want to introduce about complementary after image, which is a phenomena be related to color. So before I start, let's play a few games. Please stare at the black dot in the center of this image. For the next few seconds, the dot is for your word. Okay, please keep staring at the black dot. Okay. Do you see colors? Okay, don't worry. if you can see the color, we have next picture. And here's a tip to make the color appear for longer. If you, when the picture change to black and white, please make sure your eyes remain focused on the dot. Okay, just like before. Please keep your eyes from the dot, no matter what. Just look at the dot. Okay, do you see colors?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And if you move your eyes, does the image suddenly appear black and white? That's because the picture are black and white. And all the color you just saw was added by your brain. This is the complementary after image. So what complementary after image is? We have millions of photoreceptors in central cells in our eyes, which can help us to see color. So when we extract the same color for a long time, the cells that are responsible for that color will get tired, and they don't respond as good as before. So it's the cells for the complementary colors that are more active, and we will see the complementary after image. So this is a picture of complementary colors. As shown in the picture, we can know the red and green, or the blue and the orange are complementary colors. So, for example, why we can see the color in this picture, or why we can see this picture, the sky is blue, because in the color wheels, the orange, yellow, and the blue violet are complementary colors. So when the orange, yellow tones go away, your brain adds blue, violet to this black and white image, so that we can see the sky in blue. And at last, I have questions about the complementary after image. So why do doctors wear green or blue scarves? So because green is the opposite of red on the color wheel. It could help doctors see better in operating rooms. If a surgeon sees something that red and pink, including the bloody innards of a patient during surgery, so he becomes desensitized to it. So because of the complementary after image, the red signal in the brain actually fade. So which could make it hard to see a nuance of human's body. So look at green. Look at green from time to time can keep someone's eyes more sensitive to variation in red. So although the color we see are all just pigments of our imagination, sometimes it brings trouble to our life. For example, the complementary after image, but everything has two sides. So it goes without saying that if it's used properly, it can help us survive in the world. Okay, thank you for listening.
Thank you, Joe.